Hi guys, Phil Turtle here, helping you to present like a pro. Now what I'd like to tell you about today is another of the hand gestures that we use to emphasise a point and to come over with certain qualities to our audience. So today we're going to talk about the lover. And the lover stance is like this: hands apart, palms forward, fingers spread, and sort of, if you go back to medieval history, this is a guy or a gal showing themselves to be unarmed, vulnerable, because you're not protecting your front. So there's none of this going on. We're open, and that means that we come across to the audience as open, honest, as a collaborator, and it shows that we are speaking from the heart with nothing to hide. So how might you use that in a presentation? Well, how about, okay guys, are we going to have some fun now practicing our new hand gestures? Yes or no, team? There you go. Very easy to work in. It's probably one of the most useful gestures. It gets everybody on your side. The lover, hey, that's the person everybody wants to love. So there you are guys, another gesture to use to make emphasis in your presentations. And don't forget, when you finish making that emphasis, hands back to the neutral position so they're not waving about like mad. Get out there guys and present like a pro.